As parents, we often wonder why the children we are raising seem sadder and less happy than when we were young. And is it the influence of social media, the pressure to fit in, or are we raising them to be too pampered or fragile? Whatever the reason is, one thing is clear: their hearts need healing and protection. So let's ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, Ya Jabbar, the one who mends what is broken and restores what is lost. He has the power to heal the hearts, remove sadness, and replace it with peace and joy. Let's turn to Him and ask Him, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, to heal our children's heart, especially when they feel overwhelmed, lonely, or broken. So, Ya Jabbar, heal our children's heart when they feel sad. Ameen. Summa Ameen. Ya Rabbul Alameen.